Hi guys, what's up? I just want to make a quick video about the trades we had today. RETA, which was the stock that started to run from $46 and today was trading at 85. Uh, this happened in just 2 days, and I called it in the chat room for people to be ready because I knew the top is 85. Uh, Here are my alerts in the chat room. I said pre-market RETA near 85 will be a good short, and I told people be ready for short at 85. It touched 85 and I shorted at 84.98 and then it crashed. So when it touched 85, it crashed back down. So the other stock was HEAR. So I was watching this to short, and today when it touched 30, the second try and third try was not successful. I took a short position here at 29, and then it crashed and it went all the way back to 25. My alert at HEAR was exactly 29 to 25, but I decided to hold it overnight and see if it can follow up tomorrow. Usually when I call the top, you saw in the RETA, I think you need to take it seriously because I don't just throw out these numbers, these uh, skills that I developed during the years. It helps me to know exactly where is the top. One of the examples that I wanted to mention, those who are in the chat room, they know exactly what I'm talking because they are in the chat room every day. When I call the top or the price target and the stock, it goes exactly to that number. Our members, they know what I'm talking about. But for some other people, might think I'm just making this up. Uh, this is the chart for Bitcoin, and in February 20, I said Bitcoin looks toppy, likely turning back for correction, and be careful going long. I said be careful, don't hold the DPW, GBTS, all those Bitcoin plays. I warned people in the Twitter to not hold them overnight. Nobody liked them, nobody paid attention. I didn't care, but um, at that day, Bitcoin crashed and it went all the way to the place maybe it's around 6,000, 5,000, I don't know, something like that. So I basically on that day I told people this is the chart for February 21st on Bitcoin. It was 11,700, something like that. When I alerted that, I knew this is the top and it has to crash. And when it crashed and it went all the way back to 6,000, 5,000, it never came back to 11,200. today is July 24th, and you can check the chart. I don't make this up. But the point is, I was trying to help people, and I alerted this in the chat, in the Twitter. And I remember the day after that, uh, February 21st, I was telling people DPW is bleeding pre-market. It was around 182. And the only response I got was from some nut jobs. This guy was saying, ha ha ha, this guy. And it went down. DPW went down. And somebody else was saying, let me bring this up. Yeah, it's trading right back up. Freak out a little. And I don't know who the fuck are these guys. And I don't care. But the only thing was, I was hoping, and I told them, I hope you are not lying on DPW. And here is the chart for DPW. DPW 200 days chart. February 20th. That was the time I told these people, I hope you are not long DPW. And it was $2.06 or something like that. And today it's trading at 54 cents. So you can do whatever you want. You can laugh when I alert something, and I try to warn people about a specific trades, but I don't care because I feel good when I alert these things for people, and if only just one person I can save or help one person to make money or save his money and not lose $1.50 per share in this drop down, I feel good. I don't care about those who doesn't believe and doesn't care, and they believe wrong things. They think they know everything, and they think this time is different, or they believe in this company, or they believe in Bitcoin, or whatever they want to think. I don't care. And the only thing is, when I call these tops, sometimes I'm wrong, but most of the times, as I say, those who are in the chat room, they know exactly what I'm talking about. I call the tops by pennies. And if you don't want to pay attention, it's up to you. And you pay the price, you lose your money, and we are making money out of these people who are actually, I shorted DPW on that day, and I think I covered the next day $2, I think about 195 to 160 or 70. But you see, it basically went all the way down to 54 cents. So please pay attention to these alerts, these numbers, these skills that I developed during these years. These are not just coming from random thinking, or I don't want to prove that I'm right or wrong. I know what other traders are thinking. I can analyze this psychology of other traders. And for example, our ETA, when it topped at 83.82, one of our members wanted to short it somewhere around here. But as I was alerting in the chat, I was saying 85 is the price to short. Wait for this, wait for everybody to chase it up to this number and then short it. So that was it for today. I want to invite you, if you are not in our chat room, you can join for free. It's a chat room that I like to help people who are interested and they want to really improve their trading system. Twitter is a place that just doesn't worth it for me, because every day I have to argue with a stupid new traders who say some BS. And I decided to create DailyStockMoney Chatroom, and it's free. I like to hang out with these traders, and I learn from them. Sometimes people put alerts, the stocks that I'm not watching, but they have a good setup. So because it's free, you don't lose anything. I just want to invite everybody to join this chat room. Subscribe to this channel. More video lessons are coming. See you everybody tomorrow in the chat room. Have a good night. Bye.